What it do, what it do? Back again, coming through. Who that is? Ain't nobody but Sumi Sue about to do this hairdo for you. So if you're a naturalista, you might just want to stick around, boo. Boop. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, and we have a naturalista in the house, okay? And I love her. She looks natural. Like, if you didn't know anybody, you would know that this is not my hair. You know what I'm saying? So let's just jump right on into it. All right. Today's hair is by upside down Hergivenhair. Okay. This is not the first time for me to work with them, and every time I work with them, I always love their natural hair. The company specializes in our type of hair without anything done to it, okay? 100% our type of hair, and on their website you can find different textures of curls. All right, so the unit that I have is a 3B 3C type of unit, and I love her. She is 100% kinky, natural, and beautiful, and full of body. It comes with bangs. Now, this is not a lace unit or anything like that. There is a little bit of lace in the top, and you'll see that further on down in the video. But this unit, the premise is to shake and go. It literally says shake and go. So you're not supposed to be doing a whole lot to this. When you get the hair, you wash the hair and you brush the hair and you put all the stuff in the hair. Let it dry as is, put it on, shake and go. That's it, okay? After that, you just want to finger comb, okay? If you know anything about this type of texture, you know that this is not a texture that you want to be taking a brush to, because it's going to get super poofy, especially if you don't want to lose the curl definition. You can totally brush it out and have just a big afro. That is also beautiful. But if you want the curl definition, you don't want to take a brush or comb to this. You want a finger comb. You want to style with all of your styling goodies, whatever that is that you're using, whether it is cream, mousse, hairspray, gel, whatever that is, okay? And then you just want a finger comb. That's it, all right? This is a finger comb, shake and go type of unit. She's beautiful, y'all. I really like her, and she's full, and she's really pretty with it out, which you will see further down in the video, because I do of course show that part of the video. But I love it. This is 16 inches and it is one size fits all. Like I said, there's no lace in this, so think half wig type of style, and you could totally do that as well. Like if you wanted to push this all the way back and like have your hair like somewhere tied into this, you can totally do that. And if you wanted to fully cover your head like how I have it, because I don't like putting a lot of product in my natural hair, I just don't. Oil, water, that's it. So it's gonna be me in the wigs for a very long time. But if you want that natural look and you want people to be fooled and you want something discreet, maybe you're in a work environment where, you know, the bust down ain't really cutting it, but you want something natural and fun and just it looks like it's yours, this is definitely the way to go. And this is definitely a company that you would want to check out. The hair is stunning. I didn't do much to it. I took it out of the box, sprayed it, put it on my head, sprayed it down. I did put some Shine hair oil in there. I got this in Japan. Use whatever you want to use. And I finger combed. Like I literally just go through and run my fingers through it. The more you do it, the poofier it's going to get, the more relaxed and the more natural it is going to look. It's really going to give you that super natural look, like it's not manicured basically. And that's it. That's it. You're not supposed to be doing a whole lot with this. This is for the girl that I don't have time and I need to look good now. Some people are really self-conscious about the lace, which I completely get. I completely understand. Trust me, I do. This would be the way to go. She is full of body, everything. She's just stunning, and the more that I play with her, the prettier it gets. This is going to be one of those units that the more you wear it, the longer you wear it, and the more you play with it and you wash it and you brush it out and all of that stuff, it's going to look more natural over time. Like it's just that type of unit. I don't want to play too much because it's getting big. You know, but she's beautiful, y'all. It comes with bangs. The bangs are already in there, and there's just a little tiny piece of lace in the crown of the head, so you can totally wear it down. You don't have to wear it up, and if you know what you're doing, you can finesse the sides like I do. I show you all of that down in the video. But yeah, really love this. This is beautiful. I like this a lot. If I'm ever in the mood to feel like, you know, a naturalista, this is definitely the wig that I am going to be grabbing for. Like, this is beautiful. It's just this is us. This is us in all of our glory. Okay, she just gave us a shortcut, basically, that we don't have to do all of this with our natural hair. We can just put this on, shake and go. Make sure you check out Hergivenhair. Everything will be linked in the description box. So let's just jump right on in to the video.
this evening when I heard music echo through the night. The same old songs that I heard the night before. So I started running so I wouldn't be too late. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. Yeah, I was wrong. When I got close, my heart was pumping to the beat that was blasting through the night. And on the street, the crowd was jumping, singing songs and dancing through the night. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing in the street in the neon light. Let the music come reveal through the night. Started to fade out. The first rays of sunlight lit up your eyes. Oh, how I wish this night would never end, so we can keep on dancing. I didn't think that I would ever see your face again, but I was wrong. I can't believe we're dancing in the street. All I ever wanted was to get close to you. Now I'm burning up in your atmosphere. I can't feel my feet while we're dancing in the street in the neon light. Let the music go reveal through the night.
Yeah, so that's basically all I did to this. Like I said, it was super easy. I just put it on, put some water in there, put some oil in there, and finger comb. And I did do a little bit of trimming so I could make it a little more round. I felt like the back was a little too long. Like it was just like, you know, I want it to be round. So yeah, when you get the unit, you might have to do that. If you want to, you really don't have to. Like I said, this is beautiful. And you know what would make this really, really pretty? Some bantu knots. Like if you got this right and you put some bantu knots in this and let it dry over, like treat it like your natural hair. You get what I'm saying? You know that bantu knot curl? She's going to be able to do all of the natural hairstyles because it is 3B 3C, and this particular unit can be like, it's just flavorful. It is flavorful. You could put some braids in there, some little 1-2 braids, and I don't have the little gold clips. They don't sell those over here in Japan, but if you had like those little gold hair accessories, stunning. Just picture it. You know what I'm saying? Like stunning with the little gold clips in there. And like the little the natural beads. I don't have those either. I'm sorry. But that's what I was thinking when I was doing this. I was like, man, I could put some braids in this, put some braids in the front, and put some beads. Like there's a lot that I could do with this, given if I had all the products accessible to me here in Japan. This is stunning. You can do a low ponytail. without that, of course, you know, but you can pull it all back. Like, there's just so much, and she's full and she's fully covered and she's well constructed. I absolutely love the hair. There's not much for me to say. Y'all already know if it is not good hair, it doesn't make it on here. So make sure you check out Hergivenhair. 10 out of 10. I do recommend if you are a naturalista and you are in the market for a natural, you know, low maintenance. This is low maintenance because this is just, ooh, shake and go, baby. Box, and she's beautiful right on your head, and all you got to do is shake and go. I love that. Shake and go. It is meant to be stress-free, basically. All the links will be in the description box. If it is your first time here, go ahead and subscribe, join the tribe, come on in. We are a happy bunch. We like to keep it nice and clean and classy in here. Follow me on all of my social media platforms, TikTok, IG, also my coloring channel. Don't forget about it. It's really, really calm and soothing over there, and it's all about hobby and being, like, you know, just being cozy. And I'm loving the vibe over there. It's just a really chill space, basically, with some really cool jazz music. But yeah, and make sure you check out Hergivenhair. And until the next video, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys really soon. Glamorous, 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 ooh, flouncy, flouncy, glamorous, 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 ooh, flouncy, flouncy, glamorous.